What is up, random neighbors? Today, I went to the store and I found a couple of things. Wasn't as cool as an ETB, but I found some sleeves. Yes, I am still chasing the Darkness Ablaze Charizard. Can you believe that? And a 3-pack of Fusion Strike. This one's got the little Eevee on it though. Eevee. Little Dragonite pin or coin. Dragonite coin. So, let's begin with Fusion Strike. Dragonite. And little sleepy Eevee. My daughter will say, "It's a hollow." We'll sleeve you up, Eevee. It'll work, but it's okay. Welcome to Neighborhood Eevee. Alright. Fusion Strike with the Genesect. We haven't really opened up any Fusion Strike yet. I do have one ETB. That open up later. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ep12. What do we got? Metal Energy. Pongo Roll. Man, this is not focusing. Whoa, too bright. Sorry, guys. Not bright enough. That focused, huh? Pilot. Diggersby. Grow Life. Stuff full of stuff. Sigilly. Toxel. Toxel. Toto. Toto Dial. An Aracuda. Reverse Hollow. A Sandaconda V. Is this the alt art? I'm not even sure. Let's see. Sandaconda V. It is the alt art. Wow. All-star prices have really dropped, huh? But, all in all, that works. Welcome to the neighborhood Sandaconda V. Oh, bumped into the camera. Bumped into the camera. Gengar. Bumped into the camera again. Flow. Water energy. Day. Fusion strike energy. Turtonator. Huh. Pia Kamuku. Pew come a coup. Sky tie. Fa links or fail inks. Chuto. Vol abi. Dupe itter. Reverse hollow is Morg Rem. Oh, gold! 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 Go leaf energy. Go leaf energy. This 3-pack is fire. Gold! We found gold! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This trip pack is insane in the membrane. Insane in the brain. Wow. Flow. Dark energy. John Lu. Eel. Ick. Trick. Dunce. Pierce. It's a dancer. It's a dancer. Volp. X. Would it be Volp X or Volp 9? You tell me. Cha and say. Galarian Zig Zag Una. Minkay. Clancha. Reverse hollow is a rare Toxic Roic. And a non-hollow Toxic Roic. Look at that. Twins. That 3-pack was fire. Alright. Let's get into the first one. Mr. Darkness Ablaze. It's a Zard pack. It's a Zard pack. Darkness Ablaze. Ablaze. Like blazing. Like wings. Flow. Fire. Kunya fire. Semisia. Rio. Rare fossil. Purloin. Marini. Did I just pull that? I did just pull that. There's a glitch in the Matrix. Starly. AA Realm. Bird Keeper Reverse Hollow. Non-hollow Bear. Let's see if this big old centipede can do anything for us. Fighting Energy Shindo. Steen EE. Didi Nene. Vibrava. Aaron. Elect Wreck. Glarium Mr. Mimey. Grim Clinky. Reverse Hollow is a rare Delicate. Non-hollow Savannah. Grim Snarl. Grim Snarl. Blow. Man, that reverse hollow has a lot of whitening on it. You see that? That's a dull blade. Dull blade. Even that common has a dull blade. I don't know. Lightning energy? I don't even know the one word for lightning. One of y'all let me know. Semi-save. Semi-poor. Corv is Quaya. Kapchu. Rowlet. I have no idea what this is. Oh, ooh, yeah. Roulette. Jig, Glide, Poof. Diggle, Pamp, Hour. Reverse Hollow Rare, Muck. Oh, gold! Gold! Gold Colossal. Another gold. Another gold. We got some cool pulls. It's another gold. We got a lot of gold today. Welcome to the family, Mr. Gold Colossal. To recap on that. That light's kind of crazy on it, isn't it? Same thing. Last pack. A lot of people say last pack magic. I just say just give me something. Oh, it's another Grim Snarl. Blau. Psychic. Look at moi, that's an I. Old PC. Ursa Ring. Heat Energy. Dunce Parse. Ella Trike. Glaring Mr. Meme. Grimmer. Clink. I can't even say that in a different way. Reverse Hollow Panpoa. Pamp Hour. Grand Bull Reverse Hollow is the rare, and it looks like that is all she wrote. But check this out. How crazy was this opening today? We had our little Eevee. Little Eevee. Then, first pack, we got a Sandaconda V alt art. Crazy, right? But right after that, Grass Energy, Leaf Energy, Dime Bloom, Gold. And then we ended it with the Gold Marcel. Gold. A lot of gold. Lots of gold today. Alright. So, that is all I have today. Until next time, random neighbors. Hope all is good in your neighborhood. Peace. And Shinji Dora.